Hi everyone. And welcome back to our channel. Jamu is a drink you'll meet on any Indonesian island, whether it's Bali, Java, Sumatra or Sulawesi. These drink recipes, dating from thousands of years ago, are part of traditional Indonesian medicine. Drinks are 100% natural and are prepared from roots, bark, flowers, seeds, leaves and fruits of plants with notable medicinal properties. Indonesian Jamu is a unique traditional herbal medicine that can be taken fresh every day for prevention or treatment of diseases. In fact, you will be surprised how many Indonesians start and end their day with a Jamu drink. The principal ingredients of Jamu are turmeric and ginger, two of the most powerful antioxidant and anti-cancerous herbs. Also, the way to prepare this drink helps to improve the plant's efficacy. Turmeric is one of the most beneficial spices used to prepare Jamu drinks. It has been used for centuries to treat and cure liver diseases, muscle and joint pain, arthritis, respiratory diseases, gastrointestinal problems, skin disorders. As well, the turmeric helps to strengthen the immune system and to stimulate the general health. It has powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, so it is extremely valuable for chronic and autoimmune diseases. Turmeric neutralizes free radicals and therefore cleanses the liver, stabilizes blood sugar levels, treats depression and cancer. It also treats food allergies and intolerances, but also prevents degenerative cognitive diseases such as dementia and Alzheimer's. Ginger represent another plant whose use is not a pure coincidence because this spicy herb contains several health protection compounds. Ginger is the most well-known herbal medicine for its anti-nausea effects during pregnancy and motion sickness. Due to this effect, ginger is also used in post-chemotherapy nausea and vomiting. Ginger has strong anti-inflammatory properties, and effectively relieves symptoms of cold, helps with digestion, muscle aches and regulates blood sugar levels. Due to the antioxidant compounds ginger used together with turmeric possess a synergistic effect. Black pepper prevents anemia, helps digestion, fight against free radicals, and relieves cold symptoms. Moreover, it also supports the absorption of turmeric. Lemon is a very rich source of healing chemical compounds that improve immunity, strengthen blood vessels, help heal the skin, and even block the development of certain cells that can trigger cancer. To prepare a glass of Jamu, we need 30 grams of fresh turmeric, 5 grams of fresh ginger, 1-2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of honey or the favorite sweetener, 1 pinch of pepper, and 250 milliliters of the water. Wash and peel the turmeric and ginger. Put ginger and turmeric along with the water in the blender. Blend until they become a smoothie. Put the obtained liquid to boil on the steam bath for 20 minutes. Turn off the stove flame. Allow it to cool down the liquid, then add the pepper powder, lemon juice and the favorite sweetener. It is preferable to consume this Jamu drink on the empty stomach in the morning as a routine. Do not consume this drink if you are allergic or suffer from any condition that will prohibit the use of turmeric or ginger. Hoping that you liked the information provided by me, I thank you for your attention. Do not forget to like and share this video, also to subscribe our channel for more information. Our channel is a video channel. Educational information offered come from documentation and personal experience, so before beginning an alternative cure, you must inform your doctor, because he knows your medical history, prescriptions, drugs that you follow and your reactions allergic to various substances or food. I wish you a wonderful time, wherever you are.